4 of our Dolly Nature 5-Day Challenge. And today participating is Molly Margot. And yeah, she's just hanging out with her little cat, and she's wearing a beautiful flowered dress that is yellow, green, orange, and then there's two white bows, and then she has her little earrings and then a little yellow and purple and green bow, and she has these teal little shoes with white socks. And that's what she's wearing today, and she's just hanging out in the garden, well, not garden, but over here in these trees over here in nature, just hanging out. Yeah, so I hope everyone's having a great day today, and thank you very much for the people that have participated. It's just something fun, you know, to get outside and, you know, enjoy nature. But today is a beautiful day, and I lit blue skies today, very blue skies, but yeah, just very breezy today also. And yeah, just enjoy nature and gets you out, you know. And like I said before, if you can't go out, you can always do a background of nature, anything nature related. It could be flowers, trees. Just have fun and enjoy nature. And yeah, and I hope everyone has a great Thursday. And yeah, and welcome all new and old subscribers. Thank you very much for all the love and support, and we will see you guys tomorrow for the 4th day of our challenge. So from me to you, sorry, I got a little nervous. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.